Hey guys! Today we will be drawing a flower vase. This drawing will be divided into 3 steps. We will first need 3 things to begin: a sharpened pencil, an eraser, and a place to draw. Let it be a sheet of paper or a notebook. Please don't draw on walls. Step number 1. Drawing. Don't be shy to erase and fix those mistakes. Step number 2. Shading. Shading is a bit tricky, though it is easy when you get the hang of it. Just do it as you wish. Step 3. Admire the beauty. Just put the pencil down and admire what you have created. Make sure to like and subscribe, so I can make more videos like these to help you.